Going, going, gone. The Founders Club special is ending soon. Get 13 months for the price of one. Tapestri offers an opportunity for anyone 16 or older to earn a monthly residual income. Up to $25 monthly residual on your own device and $1 per person you invite who keeps the app active on their device for 30 days. 100 activations equals $100. 1,000 activations equals $1,000 in monthly residual income. The cost? Nothing. Nada. It's free. That's right. You can join Tapestri 100% free and earn as much income as you want by inviting others to use the platform. Want to earn more? You better hurry. As of this recording, and for a very short period of time, you can also greatly multiply your income for an investment of $9.95. This investment covers 13 full months. That's incredible. You must make this investment before the Founders Club special closes to get the 13 months for $9.95. Once the app goes live, the Founders Club offer will close, and you'll be paying $9.95 a month, which is still a great deal when looking at the income potential of this opportunity. A paid affiliate. The $9.95 investment ranks you as a paid affiliate. That means you earn $1 on your second tier. So not only the people you invite, but also the people they invite. That's huge. Consider this. When someone thinks something is funny or exciting, they will on average share it with 10 more people. And earning free money is pretty exciting. So if you tell 10 people, I think there's a good chance they'll each tell 10 more. That would mean 100 people on your second tier and a monthly income of $100 on those folks. Many of them you might not even know. Join Tapestri today. You know the link is in the description. This is Renee Rutten signing off, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh, remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.